Today we're going to do Valentine's Day crafts because on Friday it's going to be Valentine's Day and it's all about love. I love you. Do you love, who do you love?
My sister Emma.
And?
Danny.
And Danny?
Yeah.
Anybody else?
Daddy and Mommy.
Yay!
And Grandma.
And Grandma?
Yeah.
And all your grandmas?
Yeah.
And all your grandpas?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. So are we going to make special crafts for maybe them today?
And I love Oliver and Kirby.
Okay, perfect. That's our friends. Okay,
And
so
we have the brush and this, and
she got a new Barbie today. Okay, so we're going to do 5 different crafts today.
And we have the fishy.
And we've got a fishy, that's true. Okay.
Yeah, that's so cute.
So what craft do we want to start with first? Do we want to do some painting, or do you want to make a bouquet of little flowers like this?
No.
What would you like to start with?
This purple.
The purple? So you want to paint first? Okay.
So this one.
Yes, okay. So I want you to choose which color do you want to go with. We got purple, pink, and red. Okay, we're gonna do purple. So I pre-cut these so you can make them into heart shapes. And so what I did was I basically took a toilet paper roll. I kind of bent it into shape of a heart, and I put some tape on it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our toilet paper roll. We're going to bend it just a little bit.
Okay, I'm thirsty, Mommy.
You're thirsty? Would you like your water?
Yeah.
There's your water. So we're going to bend it, and as you bend, you can see that it kind of turns into a heart shape. So once you get the shape of heart that you want, is that an okay heart shape for you, my friend?
No, a square.
You want a square?
Yeah.
But Valentine's Day is all about hearts, you silly goof.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I do want to have a heart.
Okay, so we're going to do it in a heart shape. So we're going to push it in a little bit, and then just to kind of keep it secure, we're going to put some tape over it.
Go over here.
So I put these different colors down because I figured you were going to be painting, and I didn't want it all over my table. So I secured it with 3 pieces of tape, but you can totally secure it however many you would like to put on. And we have our heart shape here. So what we're going to do, we have the color pink, we've got purple, and we have red. What color would you like to do? Let's roll up your sleeves.
Pink.
You're going to do pink?
Yeah.
That one's a hot pink. Okay, so we're going to do that. So what we're going to do is I'm going to put it right here. So I'm going to pour. Is that enough, do you think?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Now what we're going to do is you're going to take your heart shape and you're going to press it down and you're going to put it down on there. Press it down on your heart. Bring it back up. Lift it up. And it's a heart shape, so now you can keep going. Do you want to put some more heart shapes on here?
Yeah.
You're just getting and then you're going to put it down. Oh, there you go. Keep going. Oh, wow. Look at those heart shapes. Good job. Good stamping. Yeah. There we go. And that's your first Valentine's Day craft.
Let me show Daddy.
Yes, of course. Good stuff. Okay, well that was fun. So we have our first Valentine's Day craft there.
And then I'm gonna make another one with.
So yeah, what would you like to make now? We can make a bouquet of Valentine's Day hearts like this. We can make a little bit more.
I wanna do.
Or we can make a little wand.
Yeah.
You want to make a wand?
Yeah.
Okay. So to make this wand here, you need some heart stickers, a pencil. This would be actually a really fun gift to give to teachers for Valentine's Day. What do you think about that? That's pretty cool, right? So, we're going to get our pencil, we're going to get a pipe cleaner, whichever color you choose.
We make the...
we call it, it's a wand, I guess?
And we make the heart.
Yeah, we made the heart, right?
Yeah,
With
I know.
Okay, so we're gonna so we're gonna take our pencils. What color of pipe cleaner do you want to use? We've got white, red, pink, and purple. You use pink or red? Pink? Okay.
Yeah.
Mama will do white just to show. So you're gonna take your pencil.
I want to help.
Okay. And you're gonna, so what we're gonna do, look, I'm gonna show you. So you start, we're gonna hold it here, and then you
I don't want to do it.
wrap it around. Can you help me wrap it around? Good. Wrap, 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 wrap. And then we're gonna take our stickers, our heart-shaped stickers. Do you want pink or red? Pink or red?
Pink.
Pink? Okay. So we're going to take the sticker part off. We're going to put it at the bottom, and can you stick it on top? Like that.
And one more.
Yep. Stick it.
I want some help.
You need some help.
Guys, we have...
Okay, can you help me pull it?
Oh, sure.
Thank you. And then we're going to put the sticky on top of here. You're going to put it like this. Can you help me push it down? I can't see if it's on properly. Oh, it's not, but that's okay. And there we go. Now we have our pencil wand that we could give to your daycare providers or your teachers.
For me.
Or for you. That works too. Okay, so that's a really fun craft that you can do. Let's see. Let's make a bouquet of flowers like this.
No,
Look,
I don't want to make one.
I'm going to make it with you. So we're going to take one on one. Again, we've got heart-shaped stickers. Did you want to do red or pink?
Red.
You want to do red? Okay, so we're going to take the sticky parts off. Can you help take the sticky part off?
Yeah.
And then we're going to stick it on top of your, what do you call this? Popsicle stick. And then you're going to take it and put it on, you're going to take the other one. You're going to unstick it. And you're going to stick it together like this. And there we go. Do you want me to help you with that? Can you unstick them? And we're going to wrap it around.
No, I don't want to.
Look. I'm going to wrap.
I don't want to do it. No.
And then it's like a bouquet of little flowers. Wrap, wrap, wrap. Can you help me wrap it?
No, I don't want to.
Man, why are you so saucy? We're supposed to be all about lovey-dovey stuff. Jeez,
No.
somebody's in a cranky mood.
No,
So, there's another one of crafts that you can do. Can we do one more craft?
No, I'm not going to help you. I'm just going to get a green. Hi. Hi.
Where are you going? I see your eyeball. Okay, can you do one more craft with Mama?
No.
Come here. I'm going to do one more craft.
No.
I want to do one more craft.
No.
Okay, we'll try again tomorrow. So it's a new day because somebody was very tired yesterday. I'll wait till Moana's done singing. Okay, no more pressing, okay? So someone was very tired yesterday, so we didn't end up finishing our Valentine's Day craft. So the last Valentine's Day craft that we are going to do is we're going to take either a red, do you want a pink or a red?
A pink.
A pink, okay.
Yeah,
This craft here, it teaches them how, like, the dexterity and the pincer grab and all that kind of stuff. So that would be a really good idea and a fun craft for little toddlers like this one. Okay, so can I show you how this works and then you can try?
No.
No?
No.
Well, how is it going to work then if you're not going to do it?
No, it can't.
You can't?
No.
Okay, here, can Mama show you?
No. Please don't do that. I can't eat. I gotta go to Scott for real.
Oh my goodness.
I have this on.
Tara, they can't see you because you're not in the camera now, sweetie.
I can't even see. Idea.
Okay, come here, baby.
I can't even see it.
Yeah, come here.
Right here, Mom.
There you are. Hi.
Hi.
Okay, come back and sit down.
Hey, no.
The joys of having a toddler with personality.
No.
Okay, come here, sweetie.
No.
Okay. Anyways, basically what you do is you just take, here, I'll just show you this way. Because I don't think Tara's going to want to do it. So, you can kind of, sew it any way that you want. But these little felt hearts here have already got some pre-holes in here. If you can't, for whatever reason, find a pre-cut heart, you can always just take felt and cut out the heart and then just get a hole puncher and just hole punch holes for you so that it's a little bit easier to do. And basically you're going to take your ribbon and you're just going to weave it in this way and then out, back through here. Or if you don't want to do all of the holes, you can totally just like skip a couple holes here. I don't know if you saw that.
This is my
So we can skip it. Oh, it's your scarf. So we'll do that, and you pull it through that way, and you can totally skip some holes. That's totally fine.
Now.
That's fine. That's cool. Okay. So that's basically all that we had for an idea for Valentine's Day gifts that are easy and simple for toddlers to do. Although with the attention span, clearly, I don't know, doing 4 might be a little much, but that's okay. We still had fun, right?
Bye, guys.
Well, hold on, before you say goodbye, which one was your favorite to do? Did you like making the wand, the Valentine's Day wand, or the bouquet of flowers?
I like these.
You like these? And you like this one here?
Yeah.
Okay, so you like painting that and the other one. So maybe weaving isn't a good choice for a toddler. I don't know. Oh, that was the kitty cat. Sorry about that. Okay, friends. What do you say?
Bye.
Can you come over here and show your face, and then you can say goodbye? There you are. Hi. Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye.
See you next time.